fucking guys. Who put the small tires in the front of the trail? It's gonna be a long 700 feet from here to the top, people. Oh man. I'm glad I'm back here with 44s just watching. There's the house. There it is. We made it. Woo! 7,500 feet. Made it to the summit. 360-degree view. The adventure begins. Got a Suburban on 43s, got the Blazer on 44s, got the Runner again on 35s, got a stock Tacoma TRD Pro, and got a Jeep X-Trail on 37s. Drop it off, baby. Yeah. Say we conquered our mission. Yeah. Yeah. Hey everybody, we at it again. Bearing down right now just a little bit because hit snow way earlier today. Got the Verb on 43s. 4.5 pounds already. 8 pounds on the Blazer. And I don't know what they're airing down to in the 4Runner. Supercharged. Let's go. This is only about 5,500 feet. We're trying to go to 7,500. We'll see what happens. Everybody's doing great. go. Made it to 5,500 feet so far. And it is snowing, man. Snowing. Hell yeah. Getting deep up here now. Hell yeah. Go. Look at this shit. We fucking made it. Not to the summit, but I'll tell you what, we fucking made it. Fucking A, lunchtime. It is coming down up here. Yeah, look at this. That's some snow, people. It's just eating those 44s. We're getting stuck a little bit, but we're making it. It's snowing hella hard. Hoping the snow stops soon, but it probably won't. So we're just gonna keep trekking, keep pushing, and see y'all at the top. I think we're about done for the day, fellas. We are heading back down. It's cold, it's frozen, but goddamn was it fun. Hell yeah. This fucking guy.
Yeah. Really close to it.